Writing a cover letter can be a daunting task, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by addressing the letter to the hiring manager or recruiter. If you can't find their name, a simple "Dear Hiring Manager" will do. Remember, the goal is to make a good first impression, so be professional and courteous from the get-go. Next, introduce yourself and mention the position you are applying for. Briefly highlight your relevant experience and skills that make you a strong candidate for the job. This is your chance to showcase what sets you apart from other applicants, so make it count. In the body of the cover letter, expand on your qualifications and experiences. Be specific and provide examples of how your skills align with the job requirements. Remember, this is your opportunity to demonstrate why you are the perfect fit for the role, so be sure to tailor your content to the job description. Don't forget to express your enthusiasm for the position and the company. Employers want to see that you are genuinely interested in the opportunity, so be sure to convey your passion and excitement in your writing. Finally, close the cover letter by thanking the reader for their time and consideration. Reiterate your interest in the position and express your eagerness to discuss how your skills and experiences align with the company's needs in more detail during an interview. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to crafting a compelling cover letter that will help you stand out from the competition. Good luck!